Hi everyone, this is Sushmita and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can already make out from the title, is gonna be a 31st night makeup look or a get ready with me for the 31st night. Also, we have a surprise giveaway on our channel which runs from the 26th of December. To know how to enter the surprise giveaway, check out the description box below. So yeah, I've already washed and prepped my skin. For cleansing my skin today, I've used the Body Shop Tea Tree Squeaky Clean Scrub. So this is what it looks like. So I kind of absolutely love to use this. I would always use this before doing my makeup. Now for toning my face today, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Pore Fix Toner. So this is what it looks like. Again, this is something which is like my absolute favorite. I absolutely love to use this underneath my makeup. It kind of makes my base look flawless. So today I'm going to be using a foundation and I wanted to go a little bit heavy on the moisturizer. So instead of using like a plain moisturizer, I'm going to be using a facial oil. So this is the Plum's facial oil and it is the grapeseed and sea buckthorn facial oil. I absolutely love this. I've already applied it on my skin and my face looks so glowing. So for my foundation today, I'll be using the Lakme Absolute Material Skin Natural Mousse Foundation. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is really nice and lovely. And I'm in the shade of Ivory Fair in this one. Now this is what the thing looks like from inside. It's got a really nice and moussey texture and it's like super easy to blend it. Okay, so I'm going to just dot it on my face and then blend it using my fingers. Okay, so I'm done blending my foundation and at this stage my skin looks totally weird. None of my facial features are visible. It kind of looks like again a porcelain vase. The next I'm going to be setting my under eye areas with a compact. The compact that I'm going to be using today is the Lakme's 9 to 5 Flawless Matte Complexion Compact. So this is what it looks like and it's like one of my favorite compacts. I love using this. So next up, I'm going to be contouring my face and get my facial features back. So I'll be using the Maybelline V-Face Blush Contour. So this is what the thing looks like. Done with the contouring and my face now looks a lot less porcelain-like and a lot more human-like. Next up, I'm going to be using a blusher. So for blusher, I'm going to be using the Lakme Absolute Blush Duos Blush. So this is what it is like. And it's in the shade of Rose Blush. So it comes with two shades. And these are the two shades. So if you can see, one is a little bit orangish and the other one is more pinkish. I'm actually going to be gently mixing the two shades and using a mixture of both of these. Like your contour and blush should kind of blend nice and well. There shouldn't be any harsh lines between the two. Also, they should blend really well with your hairline so that it doesn't seem like just a random mask of makeup on your face. Just blend them nice and well with your hairline. So next up, I'm going to be using a lip balm again to make my lips nice and supple and hydrated by the time I put my lipstick. So the lip balm that I'm going to be using today is from MyGlam and it's in the shade of Bite to Me. So this is what it looks like and it's so gorgeous. I love the packaging. And the color is like mind-blowing. It's such a nice and pink fuchsia sort of a color. And the best thing about this lip balm is that it's really well pigmented, like you can see. So you might just kind of use it as a replacement of your lipstick on during the winter days. We're done with our blusher, done with our contour. Now moving on to my eye makeup. Again, I'll be doing my eyebrows with the Maybelline's Fashion Brow Duo Shaper Pencil. So I'm done doing my eyebrows, and next I'm going to be using the eyeshadow. So today I'll be using the Maybelline City Mini palette, and this is in the variant of Urban Jungle. So this is what it looks like. I absolutely love the shades. It's perfect for, like doing a smoky eye or something just like really nice and glittery. I'm actually planning to go for like a combination of these 3 shades because I just feel they're going to be a really nice combination. Next up, I'm going to be using my mascara, and the mascara that I'll use today is the Maybelline's Lash Sensational Fan Effect Mascara, and I absolutely love this. Next up, I'm going to be lining my upper eyelids with the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Waterproof Gel Eyeliner. And now I'm just going to smudge this liner with this Maybelline's Fashion Brow Duo pencil. And now for my lower eyelines, I'm going to be using the Avon Shimmer Stick in the shade of the Majestic Plum. And now I'm going to smudge these out as well. Now for my lips, I'll be using the My Glam's Elite Liquid Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade of Hookup, so this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to just smudge this lipstick as well with my fingers. So yeah, done with the lipstick, and the last step is the highlighter. So I'll be using the Maybelline's Master Strobing Stick, and this is the thing. I love to use this highlighter, it's so easy to apply. So the highlight is applied, and now I'll just blend it using my fingers. So yeah, we are done. Okay, so yeah, we are done with our makeup. Now I'll just go and sort out my outfit and my hair, and I'll see you guys. Yeah, we are done. And this is the look that I wanted to share with you all. So if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below. Also, don't forget to participate in the surprise giveaway, and how to enter the giveaway will be mentioned in the description box. So yeah, that was all for today's video, and I'll see you guys soon with a brand new video. So till then, take care and stay tuned.